Good morning, students. Welcome back to my class. I hope you all are doing good. Let's start our chapter number 8, India, climate, vegetation and wildlife. In the last lesson, we have learned about climate and vegetation. Today, we are going to learn about wildlife and also about the vegetation. Okay, last in the last class I have asked you to find out the different language, how we call rain in the different language. I said you have these are in your textbook. There is a word how differently the rain is called in different languages, like Varsha in Hindi, Barish in Urdu. So these are the North Indian languages. So I ask you to find out from the South Indian language. So let me say the answer for this. In South Indian languages are like Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam. These are the South Indian language. So let me say how what word is for rain. In Tamil we say Malai. What we say for rain in Tamil, Malai. In Kannada we say Male. In Telugu we say Varsham. And in Malayalam we say Mala. Okay, children, have you got it? Okay, now let's start today's session. Today we are going to see the uses of forest. What are the uses of forest? So look at the image. This is the tropical rainforest, and today we are going to learn about the uses of forests. See, in your textbook it's given why are forests necessary or uses of forest. Let's see. Forests are very useful for us. They perform various functions. Plants release oxygen and that we breathe and absorb carbon dioxide. You all already know, you have learned in the second, third standard itself that forest gives us oxygen, fresh air, and it absorbs what we exhale, is it? That is carbon dioxide. So forest gives us oxygen. The roots of the plants bind the soil. That means it protects soil erosion, which is good for soil. So what the forest does, it roots of the plants bind the soil. It means it holds not to not to happen. It prevent the soil erosion. So we need the forest for the soil erosion. Next, the forest provide us with timber for furnitures. The forest provide us woods for the furniture. Woods only not for furniture, and we use wood for fuel in the sense firewood. So to cook at home. And fodder is the food of animals. And medicinal plants, you get medicinal plants in the forest, is it? No, we get like neem is a medicinal plant, no? So we get medicinal plants. Not only neem, there are n number of medicines in the forest. So forests are used for medicinal plants. And herbs, you already know that I said, like neem, eucalyptus tree, etc. And lac is, let me show the image of lac. We use lac in the gold ornaments to in the jewel purpose we use. That is like wax. Okay, lac is like wax only. Let me show the image for you. I'll show the image later. And honey is very very good for health, and we get honey from the forest only. And gum, you already know why we use for gum. So extra etc are the uses of. And also forests are home for n number of animals and birds. Yes, have you learned, have you know what are the uses of forest? Forest not only give us the oxygen, it also prevent the soil erosion. It gives timber for furniture, wood for fuel in the sense we cook food in the firewood, no, that one. Fodder is the food of animals. Fodder means food of animals. Medicinal plants and herbs. We get medicinal plants from the forest. Lac is one kind of wax which is used in the jewelry shops, in jewels. Honey, you already know what is honey, and gum, etc. I will show the images of all this later. And now let's see. Forests are natural habitat of wildlife. Okay, wildlife in the animals. So most animals and birds live in forest. Is it? Animals live in the forest or not? Yes, they live in forest. Natural vegetation has been destroyed. See, natural vegetation, these forests are destroyed by human because of cutting trees. Because of cutting trees, day by day people started, or human we are started cutting the trees to build a house or factory or whatever purpose, we started cutting the trees. So because of this, they got destroyed, forest got destroyed. We should plant more trees and protect the existing ones and make people aware of the importance of trees. What we have to do as a citizen, as a human, we should protect the trees. We should not allow anyone to cut the trees, because the trees are very, very important for the human life. Not only human, whatever organism. We can have special programs like Van Mahotsav to involve more people in making our earth green. We should make our earth green. Because of cutting the trees, our earth got global warming. We have already learned about global warming in your science class or any other subjects. So global warming is happening because of the forest clearance only, greedy of mankind. So like, to protect our forest, there is a program that is called Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav means planting more saplings. Now there is a word for you, that is Leela's parents planted a sapling of neem to celebrate her birthday. Whenever the birthday comes of Leela, they celebrate her birthday by planting the trees. So first they started with neem tree. On each birthday, whenever her birthday comes, they started sapling or trees. When she was 20 years old, there was a 21 beautiful trees. How many trees were there? 21 beautiful trees stood in around her house. Birds built. What happened by planting the trees to that? When she born first day, to celebrate her birth, so what they started, they started planting a tree. After that, every birthday of Leela's, they started planting. So when she was 20 years old, there were 21 trees around her house, and they were very beautiful. And there are the birds build their nests. Too many of birds build a nest on them. Flowers bloomed. In the trees there were flowers and they were bloomed. Butterflies fluttered around them. How beautiful the trees are means, they saw the flowers, butterflies moving here and there, and the birds nest was, and the sounds of birds. That much beautiful the trees were looking. So children enjoyed their fruits. What the children did, after 20 years, the tree started giving fruits, and all the children, those who came to Leela's house, they were tasting the fruits, swung on their branches. Swung is the past tense of swing. So they started they started swinging on the branches. Swing in the sense ஊஞ்சல் ஆடுறது, அந்த மரத்தில் ஊஞ்சல் ஆட ஆரம்பித்தாங்க. அண்ட் பிளேட் தி ஷேட், அண்ட் ஆல்சோ மரத்துக்கு கீழே அண்டர் த ட்ரீ தே ஸ்டார்டட் playing. So how useful trees are, have you understood, children? So hereafter, whenever your birthday falls, you start planting the saplings when you are in the age of 20. Same like that, the trees will grow and you can eat the fruit, you can enjoy the trees gives the homes for birds, insects, and also you get the fruits from that, and also you can swing on the trees, you can play under the trees. Have you understood the uses of trees and what you have to do to promote? To promote, you have to do planting the saplings. Now let's see. Look at this image. You may know now how the trees are useful to the mankind. You will be understanding by looking at this image. See, oxygen, the tree gives us oxygen, honey, fruits, and wood. We can use the wood for doing this, not only the furniture, we can do with sports items also. And soil erosion, binding, look at the root of the tree and it will hold the soil very tightly, and when the rain comes or wind comes, soil won't erode, soil won't wash away, it will bind the soils. You can do the cart, bullock carts, animals, homes for animals. Now let's see the next session. Wildlife. Let's see wildlife. Wildlife, that is animals, birds in the forest. Forests are home to a variety wildlife. Forests are home to variety of wildlife. There are thousands of species of animals and large variety of reptiles, amphibians, mammals, birds, insects and worms which dwell in the forest. We are not only getting the food, oxygen or furnitures or gum, honey, and also forest is the home for animals like reptiles, amphibians, birds, insects, worms. All these are live in the forest. So forest is the home for the animals. Uses of forest, you can see here. Forests are only not uses of furniture, fodder, medicinal plants, honey, gum, soil erosion. They also home of animals and birds, that is wildlife. Now let's see India. What are the animals we find in India? Let's see. The tiger is our national animal. We have already know that our national animal is tiger. It is found in various parts of the country. That is Gir forest in Gujarat is the home of Asiatic lions, elephants and one-horned rhinoceros. There is a something different type of animal, that is one horned, only one horned rhinoceros roam in the forests of Assam. Elephants also found in Kerala and Karnataka. Camels and wild asses are found in the Great Indian Desert and the Rann of Kutch respectively. Wild goats, snow leopards, bears, etc. are found in the Himalayan region. Besides these, many of other animals also found in our country, such as monkey, wolf, jackal, and nilgai, cheetah, etc. Children, in this paragraph, you came to know what are the animals we found in India. That is elephant, one-horned rhinoceros, Asiatic lions, tiger, monkey, wolf, jackal, nilgai, elephant, cheetah, wild goats, snow leopards, bears, wild asses, camels, and etc. animals we can find in India. Let's see the birds. India is equally rich in bird life. The peacock is our national bird. What is our national bird? Peacock. Other common birds are parrots, pigeons, myna, geese, bulbul, and ducks. What are the other birds we see in India? Parrots, pigeons, myna, geese, bulbul, and ducks. There are several bird sanctuaries which have been created to give birds their natural habitat. See, bird sanctuary means to prevent to is the home places of where the birds live. These provide the birds protection from hunters. People started hunting even not only animals, they started hunting the birds also. So because the birds are getting extinct, so there the government has built the bird sanctuary to protect the birds. Can you name 5 birds that are commonly found in your area? What are the birds we find in our area? We see parrot, myna, crow, and cuckoo, and etc. we find in our area. There are several hundreds of species of snakes also found. We found snakes also in our country. That is, cobras, krites are imported. What are the species of snakes species? That is, cobra and krite is very important snakes. And what is happening? Due to cutting of forest and hunting, several species of wildlife of India are declining rapidly. What the people are doing? They started cutting the trees. That is called deforestation. Because of the deforestation, and people started hunting animals for the money purpose, and this leads to declining rapidly. The wildlife is getting destroyed. Many species have already become extinct. Many species become extinct. The meaning of extinct. The meaning of extinct is dying out. Already most of the animals started dying out. We can't see the one or two only extincted. In order to protect them, to protect the animals and birds, the government has taken the steps like building the national parks. What they did? National parks, many national parks, sanctuaries, and biosphere reserves have been set up. This is done by government to protect the animals and birds. This is done by government to protect the animals and birds. The government, see, look at, this is the image of national park. So you can see different kind of animals which found in India. Now let's see. There is a project about tiger. That is, government has started Project Tiger and Project Elephant to protect these animals. To protect the tiger and elephant, they started one project that is called Project Tiger and Project Elephant. Can you name some wildlife sanctuaries of India and locate them on a map? So let me show the names of national parks which found in India. I will show you later. Let me finish this. You can also contribute in conserving wildlife. To save our wildlife, you can also contribute. Like, refuse to buy things made from. How can we conserve the animals? Means by buying the things which is made of animals and birds. We should not buy the things that is made up of animals and birds. What kind of things that those are? Let's see. Made from parts of bodies of animals, such as their bones. One is their bones. By using the elephant tusk, they are making different kind of decoration things, so we should not buy. And horns, you know what is horn, no? So horns, we should not buy those things also. Horns, the rhinoceros horn is there, no? They are using for medicinal purpose, so we should not use all those things. Fur, the skin of animals and birds. Fur is the skin of animals and birds, and they are using for, and feathers also. By using the animal skin, we are use like leather slippers. After that, handbags. So we should not use leather slippers and to avoid animals. So by using animal skins, we are preparing, our slippers are made, belt which is used, belt, and our handbags. So these are, and feathers, by using feathers, there are frocks and hats they are preparing by feathers using the animal birds. So we should not buy those things to protect our animals. Every year we observe wildlife week in the first week of October. When we observe the wildlife week, first week of October, this create awareness of conserving the habitats of the animal kingdom. Why we celebrate, or why we observe this wildlife week is because of conserving the animal kingdom, habitats of animal kingdom. See, look at this. This is the newspaper image. Large scale poaching alleged in Simlipal Reserve. So there are newses about animals. Why do poachers kill tigers? For the skin of, why they poachers means hunters, those who kill the animals. So why they kill? For the skin of tiger. And what will happen if tiger vanish from our forests? What will happen? There is no tiger. We can see the tiger only in the picture, and tiger is our national animal. We can see the animal only by showing for next generation. We can show this is the image of tiger by picture showing, but we can't see their extinction. Have you ever visited any tiger reserves or a zoo where tigers are kept? If you have visited, you can answer. Now let me show the images of national parks in India, and also what are the animals found in India, and name of the national parks also. Children, this is the image of birds which we found in India. So different types of birds are there here. You can see, and our national bird peacock also there. Let's see the next one. These are the animals we find in India. Snake. Look at this different kind. Lion, tiger, peacock, deer, snake. So this is called lac, LAC lac, that is uses of forest. No, by using the lac, what is the use of this lac? We can use this lac for the jewelry purpose. This lac is very used in jewelry purpose. It is like wax. Our national animal, tigers, which is found in the national park. This is found in national park. Let me show the national park's name. Children, I have written some national parks in India which are found in India, only few, but there are 104 national parks are there in India to protect our animals. So I have written here only little, that is Gindi National Park in Tamil Nadu, Periyar National Park in Kerala, Nagarhole National Park in Karnataka, Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand, Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh, and Gir National Park in Gujarat. Okay children, you got it? Have you seen the national parks which I have written only little, only there are 6 national parks I have written, but in India there are 104 national parks to protect the animals. Okay children, let's see what we have learned today. The first question is write the uses of forests. The second one is write the name of animals and birds based on the lesson which are found in India. Whatever we learned on the lesson, you have to write the animals and birds name. When do we observe Wildlife Week? When do we observe Wildlife Week? The last one is write the name of animals, national parks of India. So you have to list the name of national parks found in India. Once you're done with the homework, send it to the WhatsApp group grade 6 social science naps between 6 to 8 in the evening. Okay, we have finished this book geographic lesson 1 to 8 we have finished. So next week onwards let's start our revision. Bye children, take care, have a great day.